We're constantly improving our products, and one of those improvements is the new abrasive lever pedestal. It's a little different from our old design, and in this video we're going to show you how to correctly adjust the abrasive control lever if it becomes too loose or too tight. A loose rocker arm can prevent you from immobilizing the pinch valve assembly during transport, which can cause damage to the pinch valve airline as well as the pinch valve assembly itself. However, a severely over-tightened abrasive rocker arm can cause damage to the inlet nozzle, resulting in inconsistent media flow. First things first, check to see if the abrasive control lever needs to be retensioned. If you notice that the pinch valve assembly can still be rotated in the locked position, then it's too loose. Conversely, if it takes more than one arm to lock down the abrasive lever, then it's too tight. If you notice either of these symptoms, then the rocker arm yoke needs to be adjusted. To do this, you must first remove all the split pins from the rocker arm hinge yoke, then the rocker arm connecting links. Next, you remove the two rocker arm connecting links as well as the washers that go with them. Then slide out the pedestal clevis pin. Now you're able to remove the complete rocker arm assembly. In order to tighten the abrasive lever, rotate the rocker arm hinge yoke 1/2 turn clockwise. If it's too tight, then turn the yoke 1/2 turn counterclockwise. Refit the rocker arm assembly, reinsert the pedestal clevis pin, and make sure that there is roughly about 1/4 inch of space between the base plate and the abrasive control lever. After that, reattach the connecting link plates and remember to test the tension of the abrasive control lever to make sure that it locks firmly into place. Once a firm lock is achieved, you can insert the 4 split pins to finish the job. And that's how you achieve a perfect tension on your abrasive control lever. If you have more questions, feel free to check out our support page or give us a call and talk to one of our tech experts.